Have you ever seen a landfill or a mine pond and wondered what prevents that wastewater from seeping into the ground? Here's the secret. Geosynthetic clay liners, or GCL. Imagine a sheet just a few millimeters thick, preventing thousands of liters of water from seeping through. GCLs are made of natural bentonite clay and layers of strong geotextiles. When clay comes into contact with water, it swells and seals, creating a more reliable waterproof barrier than ordinary soil. With GCLs, you can complete the same work in days, at a lower cost and with higher performance. That's why engineers use GCLs in everything from landfills and tailings ponds to reservoirs and wastewater basins. They're lightweight, strong, and proven to protect the environment for decades. So, if your next project requires fast, reliable containment, choose Geofantex Geosynthetic Clay Liners. Learn how our GCLs can keep your site safe and simplify your work.